Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use Runway Gen 4.5. In order to do so, here we are at runwayml.com, and as you can see, Gen 4.5, their new frontier video generation model, and it is available for each tier. You do have some free credits to play around with. You're going to get through those pretty quick, but let's just take a look at the upgrade here. Upgrade to standard to get access to all models, including Aleph, Gen 4, 4.5, text to video, VO3, and Act 2. This removes watermarks, upscales videos to 4K, shorter wait times, and credits reset to 625 every month. You can buy more credits as needed, and as you can see here, that's $15 per month for the standard subscription. Let's take a look at all of the options here. And we can see that we've got, for the monthly, got the free version, and that gives you 125 credits one time. So, you know, it's enough to play around with, do a little bit of like 1 or 2 videos or something like that. But if you really want to get more out of it, you're going to need to go with the standard for $15 a month. Then you're scaling up to the Pro at $35, the Unlimited at $95, and then the Enterprise at $2,000 per year. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications. And if you check in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree there. You'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra, and if you use our referral link, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you use our referral link, you can get $50 to open an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.